Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, Kay. Hello, Princess. Hello, Lisa.
Rồi.
Are you also have mid-autumn festival? Do you have also mid-autumn festival? How are you today, Kay?
I'm good.
Oh, how are you? Oh, did you call? Yes, you called last night. Sorry, I have a class.
I'm Teacher Mary. I'm sent for Teacher Mary.
Oh, you have talked with Teacher Mary?
Yes.
Oh, and then what happened?
What? Teacher, what
Uh,
happened?
what happened when you talked to Teacher Mary? She will come back? Oh, where is Lucy? Hello, Princess. Who's first? Who's first? Kay or Princess? Who's
Me
first?
first. Me first.
Oh, Kay is the first, the early bird. The second bird is Lisa?
Lisa. Lisa, but
Oh,
right. Princess, but Lisa is out, and Princess and me play tic-tac-toe.
oh, so you two play tic-tac-toe.
Like this. Oh,
Yes, that's fun, tic-tac-toe. But I haven't learned about that. Tic-tac-toe.
tac-toe, tick. Tick.
Tac.
Where's Lucy?
I don't know. Maybe she will follow to our lesson. Oh, Lisa. Where is Lisa? I can't see Lisa. Lisa, where are you, Lisa? Oh, there you are. Oh, there's Daddy. Hello, Daddy. Okay, now please unmute now,
I
Lisa.
want to kiss her.
Yes. Okay, class, nice to see you again. I'm so glad and happy that we have a lesson. Okay, what Mary said to you, Teacher Mary Kay? She will come back?
No. No.
Oh, yeah. Why? What happened?
Ah!
What's that? What's that?
Bánh bao.
Oh, it's a bread. It's a hard bread. Wow. It's hot? It's hot, Kay? Why you're not getting fat? You're always eating. Why you're not getting fat? Maybe you're a picky eater.
Yeah.
Oh, what's that, Lisa? What's that?
Này.
You know, I'm seeing myself like
Đúng
Lisa.
không?
That is my hairstyle before.
Này.
When I was little, Lisa, I look like you. And we have same hairstyle. Short hair and no teeth on the front. Just like me when I was little. hmm Okay. Now, class, are you ready to our lesson?
Cô đó người Philippines.
Okay, let's start. Please read aloud, Princess, our title of our lesson.
No quá rồi.
Cái rồi.
Để ăn chín chè rồi để nó đi hồi nào rồi đó mình ăn chín chè.
Mr.
Miss has his chores.
Yes. Okay, fun for movers. Unit 37. Mr. must changes his jobs. Okay, what's the meaning of this, Lisa?
Unit 33, 37. Miss must change his job.
Yes, very good. Okay, next. Now, ask and answer the questions. ask and answer the questions. Now let's have first question. Okay, please read aloud.
What do you like doing every day?
What do you like doing every day?
Play in iPad.
Playing iPad?
What?
Playing iPad every day?
My mom
How about Princess? What do you like doing every day?
still in the school.
Oh, go to school every day?
Yes.
Oh. Okay, how about Lisa? What do you like doing every day?
Play laptop.
Play badminton?
A laptop.
Play in a laptop. Okay, very good, class. Now, Princess, which is the
Yes. Which is the most eating, watching TV, or sleeping?
mm-hmm. Which is the most exciting?
Sleeping, teacher. Is the eating and watching the TV.
Yo, how about Lisa? What is most exciting to you? Eating, watching TV, or sleeping?
I don't like anyway.
I can't hear you.
I like going to school.
I like your camera, Kay. It's so clear. Is my
What
camera
clear?
clear?
What clear?
Like HD.
What is the what teacher? I don't know.
Okay, your camera is good. It's so clear.
What is clear?
Yes, when you're moving, your camera follows you. Look. There. Yes. Okay, move again. Move, move. Move, Kay, move. Move. Oh, there, your camera following you. There, your camera following you. Yes, I like your camera.
I don't know that.
Yeah, you just know your camera is moving also like that. Yes.
But you is not.
Oh, my camera is just permanent. Okay, Lisa, what do you like? What is the most exciting to you?
Watching TV.
Oh, watching TV. Hello, Lucy. Nice to see you again, Lucy. How was your school?
Yeah, I remember.
How was your school, Lucy?
Yes.
Okay, yes. Now, what do you like doing every day, Lucy? What
It's
do you like
ride a
doing
bike.
every day?
Ride a bike.
Okay, riding your bike. Wow. Okay, next. Which
Me.
is the most exciting? Eating, watching TV, or sleeping?
Me,
Lucy.
teacher. Me first.
Okay. Now, Kay? Sleep?
Sleeping.
Why? You're always lack of sleep?
Because
Yes. Okay, sleeping is one of the best.
answering is good.
You know, when I get older, I miss sleeping. Oh my God, don't move. Oh my God.
What moves, teacher?
Oh, my son kicking the camera. I'm in my room because my computer table is, oh my God, don't move. Okay. There. He was kicking the wirings. Okay na, baby? Okay na? Oh, tara na. Sarado mo, sarado mo. Okay. Why is sleeping K?
Teacher,
How
teacher,
many hours you
what
sleep?
are you saying?
Baby, sarong pinto. Yes, I'm asking my
Teacher,
husband about the stove. He was repairing the kitchen. Mhm. Okay, we are done. What is the most exciting to you, Lucy? Oh, what's that? May I see your camera, Kay? May I see?
why
Kay,
is no camera?
yes, yes. Your camera is moving. What
What?
camera is
Kay
that?
camera. Kay
Where's the
camera.
camera? Where?
Kay camera. Okay.
Where?
Okay. Kay camera. Okay. What?
Where's cam? Where's your cam? Oh, when Kay is moving, the camera is following him. Look, look. Move. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, there. Look, that's fun. Okay, next question, class. What do you have to do every day? What do you have to do every day, Lisa?
Go. Go to school.
Oh, go to school. Yes. How about Princess? What do you have to do every day?
Play the babysitter.
Oh, you're taking care with your baby sister or playing?
Yes.
Oh, so sweet. Okay, how about
What?
Kay?
Wait, teacher.
Mm-hmm. What
Play
do
in.
you have to do every
I
day? Kay,
do homework.
doing your homework. Did you do your homework? Did you submit homework? You don't do homework. Did you submit homework with me?
My dad.
Oh, your dad's fault. Oh.
The homework.
Okay, how about Lucy? What do you have to do every day?
Is go to the school.
Yes, go to the school. Next, which is the most boring? Which is the most boring part of your life? Lisa,
Teacher, what are you?
I'm laughing
What are you laughing? Why are you
because
laughing?
so it will not to get to be boring. Okay, which is the most boring?
I don't know the boring.
Boring is like you feel alone. Boring. When you are writing, you
Yes.
feel boring.
Do
Okay.
homework.
Do homework boring. Okay. Why is it boring? You're learning when you're doing homework. Yes.
Yes.
How about Princess? Which
Yes.
is the most boring?
Um. Is
Mm-hmm.
sleeping.
Uh, uh, what is that?
Sleeping.
Oh,
Sleeping.
sleeping. You don't like sleeping?
Yes.
Aw. Okay. Lucy, what is the most boring? Where is Lucy?
Yes.
Which is the most boring?
It's a plate.
What's that?
Play. And
Play.
sleeping.
Okay, you feel boring when you're playing and sleeping?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Why? Oh, Lucy, why you're so serious today? What
What's
happened?
what's serious?
Serious. He looks like no, not smiling, not laughing. Why you look serious today, Lucy?
Yes.
Why you're not? You don't have emotions. Oh, you maybe you're tired, Lucy.
Yes.
Are you tired? Are you tired?
No.
Oh, you're not tired? Ah, okay. What did you do today? You go to school.
Yes.
How about Kay? Did you go to school?
Yes.
Oh, how about Lisa? Did you go to school?
Yes.
Wow. Okay, Princess, where are you, Princess?
Every day. So.
Princess.
Yes. I don't know camera.
Oh, yes. Oh, you don't have camera? Why?
Yes. It's the computer.
Ah, okay, with your computer. Next question. On a school day, can you stay in bed or do you have to get up?
Stay in the bed.
Stay in the bed? You don't go to school, Lisa?
No.
You need
Together.
to get up. How about, okay, Lucy? You need to stay in the bed or have to get up?
Yes. Either 5 times
Mm-hmm. You need to?
and I get up in the bed.
Very good. Okay, next, Kay. You need to stay in bed or you need to get up?
Teacher, I get up 4 times.
Okay.
On a school day, you stay in bed or do have a get up.
Mm-hmm. Do you stay in bed?
What
Not
school days?
school days. School day is Monday to Friday.
My sister has it. My
Mm,
sister, but I'm wake up early.
oh, you wake up early. Oh, what's that, Lisa? Oh, that's cute. Oh, is that a real mice?
Mouse.
Wow, so cute. Are you collecting small toys? What's that? A mice in a box? What's that?
Hả?
So look at this.
What's that? A pirate.
Ung hâu người cái này đang rôm rôm phải
Wow. It's a drawer. The mice in a drawer. Wow. Yes, what's that, Kay? It's a pirate. Oh, it changed faces. Can you put it closer? Closer? Oh, look. Wow. Is that? Oh, wow, that's fun. What's that? A carrot, Lisa? Wow, you have a lot of toys. I have a lot of toys also. Here, your prizes. Yes. Okay, next question. Princess, please read aloud on a school day.
The school is the play the friend. Eating and sleeping.
On a
Yes.
school day, can you stay in bed or do you have to get up? Inaantok na yung baby. Pipik mo nahita. Pabiso?
It's the guest of the school.
Okay, very good. What's that?
Slide.
Oh, a slide. A cute slide. Wow, you have a lot of... Yes?
Teacher, Lucy is say Luna fake.
Oh, Luna fake.
Teacher is Luna fake.
What is Luna fake?
You is fake.
Oh, okay. Next. In the holidays, can you stay in bed? Okay. In the holidays, can you stay in bed?
No,
Okay.
I go to the.
What do you do in holidays? Okay. Okay. What do you do in holidays?
Không phải làm bài toán để cô.
Okay, Lucy, what do you do on holidays?
What did you do on holiday? Try a bite.
Mhm. You? Okay, now, Lisa.
Teacher, Princess
Yes.
said, Teacher, Princess said you're not real.
What happened to you, class? And what is this? Lisa fan dom dom. What's this? What's the meaning of this?
Hi. You say Thiên Lý ơi, em có thể ở lại đây không? Đi trong phải đưa dâu cô gái lắm em.
Okay, now, question class. What do you do on holidays? Okay, what do you do on holidays?
I go to Nha Trang.
Mhm. On holidays, you fart?
No, you
What? What do you do?
get away. Get away.
Oh, the camera is following you.
It's very funny.
Okay, it's funny. Oh, look. Maybe your camera loves you. That's why the camera following you. Oh, it's zooming. Look. That's weird. Okay, next. Lisa, in the holidays, please read
I
aloud.
know one. In the holidays, teacher, I know one.
Mhm.
Teacher.
Yes.
Oh, I just stay in the bed.
Oh, what are you doing on holidays?
Teacher, they don't. The camera don't following you. Don't follow
Yes.
me.
I just have HD camera. How about you, Lucy? In her holidays, can you stay in bed?
What?
In holidays, can you stay in bed?
Yes.
Oh, you don't go outside?
Yeah.
You don't go outside?
I go to the Nha Trang. Làm người phải có ý thức
Mhm.
như vậy chứ mẹ. I intervene. Một phát, một phát. It's funny.
Okay, next, Princess. In the holidays, can you stay in bed? Please, quiet class. Princess is serious.
Holiday.
Holidays, for example, Christmas, New Year.
Holiday.
What do you do in holidays, Princess?
We wish you a Merry Christmas. I don't know. I don't know the in the holiday. I don't know.
Holidays, for example, you have 5-day holiday in Vietnam.
Holiday is Vietnamese.
Yes, no school holiday.
And the holiday is the Vietnam.
Can you stay in bed, Princess?
I don't know the best holiday.
Or any kind of holiday.
No, I don't know the best holiday. Teacher.
For example, holiday, there is no school.
Holiday,
Also,
there is no school. Teacher.
Okay. Okay, during holiday season, you can stay in bed, but you have many things to do, like visiting your parents, like cooking some special food at home. Yes, spend time with your family and loved ones. That's the holidays. Okay, well done, class. Next. Okay, section A. Please read aloud. Okay. Please unmute. Luna, very many money. Ah,
To see very, very many.
quiet, please. Liam.
Have to having a shower.
Mm-hmm. What's the answer?
Wow. Ah, it's
Have.
beautiful.
Okay, next.
Teacher, I
Y-
know.
Okay, have the answer. Next. Lisa. Please read aloud, Lisa.
Yes. Go. Going to school. Cleaning. My
Mm-hmm.
in bed. Sleeping. Getting undressed. Watching TV.
Mm.
Doing homework. Playing computer game. Trying play.
Mm. Mm-hmm. Shh. No, don't do that. Baka basa na tong cellphone niya. Okay, now, please answer this one, Lisa. What's the answer? Eat or eating breakfast? What's the answer?
Eating.
Eating breakfast. Okay, very good. Next, please answer Princess.
So going to
Mm,
school.
okay, going to school. I
Going.
like or I have to?
I like or I have to. Um, I
Mm-hmm.
like to go to school. I have to go.
Mm-hmm. Very good. Next, Lucy. Clean or cleaning my teeth? I like or I have to?
Cleaning. I
Yes.
have to cleaning my teeth.
Mm-hmm. I have to clean my teeth.
Yes.
Okay, next. Staying, okay? Staying, I like or I have to staying in bed. Okay. Ban Lucy. What is ban? What's that?
Hello. Friend.
Friend?
Friend Lucy.
Okay.
Lucy. Friend everyone.
Okay. Shh. Quiet. Quiet, Liam. Okay. Churro. Okay. Now, okay, please answer. I like, I have to, staying in bed. Baby. Okay. I will answer this one. I like staying in bed. Mhm. Next.
I sleep. I
Mhm.
like sleep. I have to sleeping.
I have, I like
I
sleeping.
like sleeping. I have to sleeping.
I have to sleep. That's the answer. Next,
I like getting
Lisa, get,
undressed.
I like,
I like getting undressed.
getting undressed. I have to,
Uh, uh, get to. I get to buy dress.
I have to get undressed. Okay, next. Lucy, watching.
What's watching? TV.
Mm-hmm.
I like watching TV.
Mm-hmm. I have to. What is I have to watch TV? Put the words into the circles. Okay, I will put the words into the circles. Now let's have I like having. Having. And have. Next, eat. Eating. Eat. Next, I have to go. Going.
Quê chọn sau bữa làm.
Next, staying. Like this. Now let's have I like watching TV. Watching. I have to watch TV. Next. Next, princess.
Yes. I like doing homework. I like to.
Mhm.
I like to do. Picture.
Mm.
Thì anh nói béo.
Okay, I like doing
I
homework.
like doing homework. I like
Mhm.
to do.
Mhm.
Wow.
I like to, I have to do homework. Okay, next. Playing. What's the answer? Lisa? Playing.
Playing computer game.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Playing.
I like.
Playing computer game.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I like playing computer games. Okay, I have to play computer games. Next, the last K, drying plates. Oh, you're still on mute.
Teacher.
Yes.
It's a both. Sky is coming.
What's that?
Is sky in
The sky. What's the sky?
that is raining.
Oh, raining. It's raining outside.
Yeah.
Yes, we have also a typhoon. Mm-hmm. Bigyan mo to.
What teacher?
Because my son is tantrums and he's quite noisy. Now, what's the answer? Okay. I like
drying plate. I have to drying a plate.
very good. Okay, next. We are done with this. Let's proceed to the next page. Now let's read a story and write the words to complete the sentences. Now please read aloud the example. Okay, Lucy?
Okay, number one, me.
Example.
Example, me.
Yes.
Teacher, can I read? No. Miss woke Peter up in the morning. Miss drove his bike to the town center.
Very good. Okay, number 1 is K. Number 2 is Lisa. Number 3 is Lucy. Number 4 is Princess. Go.
Number 4. Okay.
Number 1,
Mr.
K.
Mudge walks and on the bus. Then he has. Can you see me?
Oh, what happened to you, Lisa? I can't see you now. Okay, there. Very good. What's the
number
answer?
4 me.
Number
Teacher,
1.
is number 4 me. What's the number?
The answer K is? Oh, let's read first the... Okay, please read aloud, Princess. Mr. Most exciting letter.
Mr. Mill was about river. He didn't like to get turned up in sea. Morris postcard stay in bed. Mr. Merck woke him up. She said, get a picture of Bradford Eddie Morris. He had to put on his full drum his uniform and dry his bike to work in the town council.
Okay, repeat after me. Getting.
Teacher, I know. Then he has to watch.
Okay, the answer is number 1. Drive. Okay, next. When he got, please read aloud, Lisa.
When he got to the bus
Station.
He has to watch the bus. Then he has to stare the bus and drive in all day. He had to say good morning and smile at the people who got on his bus at every bus stop.
Yes.
But Bus did want bus driver. He wants to work in the countryside.
Very good. Okay. Number 2, Lisa, what's the answer?
Miss must Miss must
Mr. Mas said, what he said?
Must said good morning as my other people who got on his bus at every bus stop.
Okay. Good morning. Next, number 3. Okay, number 3, Lucy. Mr. Mas. Okay, the answer is bus driver. Bus driver. Okay, next, number 4. Number 4, Princess. Okay, please read first aloud. One evening.
Once in evening, when he goes home, Miss Moss says, I'd like to come for you today. Here you
are.
Mr. Moss opened his letter and smiled. Wow, he said, I don't have to be a bird now. Mr. Moss, you some super says. Can we?
Surprised.
Bright.
Surprised.
Bright. Can we see? Asked. Yes, the letter is from Mr. L. Mr. Moss
Asked.
asked. Mr. Moss listen. Mr. S say, please come one walk for me and right for Mr. Moss. Loud. Loud
Laugh.
and fast. Last and sad. Alright.
Okay. Now, Kay, please read aloud. One evening.
One evening, when he got home, Mr. Musk said, a letter came for you today. Her,
Here you
You are-
are.
here you are. Mr. Musk opened his letter and smiled. Wow, he said, I don't have to be a bus driver now. He can go and live in a beautiful countryside. Mr. Brown was surprised. Can we? She asked. Yes, the letter is from Mr. R. Mr. Bus answered well, listen, and Mr. R said, please come and work for me at Wright Farm. Mr. Musk laughed and said, hooray!
Okay. Hooray. Now, let's have number 4, Princess. Please please answer number 4.
I give the letter to Miss Mouse. I the letter.
Okay. What happened?
Is the I
Mm-hmm.
the letter to Miss Mouse.
Mm-hmm. Okay, A, or a letter came for you today.
Không biết.
Okay, Mr. Mas gave. The answer is Mrs. Must. Now number 5, the answer is Mr. and Mrs. Must can live in class. Who wants to answer? Can live in countryside. Okay, they can live in countryside. Next, number 6. Who wants to answer number 6?
Princess and Lucy is smooth.
Okay. Next, number 6.
I see.
Wanted for Mr. Mas to go work. Okay, Mr. All. Mr. All. That is Mr. All. Next, number 7. Mr. Mas is happy because he can work at.
Can I go to the toilet, please?
Okay, go.
Right farm.
Yes, right farm. Wow, good job, class. It's all correct. Now let's have sentence. Section C. Look at these pictures. Oh, look at these pictures, class. How many pictures are there? Are there, Lisa? How many pictures are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 4, 8. 2, 4, 8, 10. 10 picture.
Okay. Okay, 16. Next. What I am talking about. What am I talking about?
Cloud.
Lucy. Lucy. What am I talking about? Talking about farm. Okay. Next. Princess. Number 1. What
Okay.
can you see in the first 4 pictures?
Number one is the cloud, and number two, number three, number four is no cloud, and no the animal.
Mm-hmm.
Teacher, can I? Teacher, number three, please.
Okay. This is all white. They look like fluffy. Next, number 2, Lucy.
Okay.
A cloud, sheep, and a goat. Correct.
Why is a cloud?
Yes. Why? Which one is different?
Sky. It's not in the glass.
Okay, it's not an animal. Okay. Very good. Please. Okay, please read aloud first your answer. Lucy, a cow.
A cow, a sheep, a goat. Cow, a sheep, and a goat are animal. The cow is different because it's not an animal.
It's not an animal. Very good, Lucy. Next. Let's have this one. Say which picture is different and why. Princess.
Yes.
Oh, Lisa. Wait.
I
Say,
picture three. I picture three.
okay, what is the picture 3?
It's a clock, the pen, the balloon, and paper.
So why? Why?
Clock. Paper.
Okay, because it's all round.
Because the clock, the balloon is a circle, but
Yes.
the paper is a
What shape is this?
rectangle.
Square. It's square. Okay, next, Kay. Please say a picture that is different. You can unmute now.
You cannot be it now. Teacher.
Kay.
Teacher. Teacher.
Yes.
What's your name?
The name. Okay, please name a picture, Kay. Which one is the different and why?
I don't know. The next one, teacher.
Okay, this. What is this?
The horse.
Yes, what are the difference with these
There-
3 pictures?
There are couple. There are animals.
Okay, there are machines or wheels. And this one, the horse, is different because it's a living creature. It's alive. Next. Lucy.
Yes.
Okay, which picture of this are different?
Okay, it's either tickets or it's not a driver.
Okay, the driver is the different. Which one is the different, Lucy?
That is different.
Okay. Why? Why is the driver is different?
It's a teacher, doctor, the farm. It's not a driver. It is one driver.
Yes, because teacher, doctor, and the farmer are not using machine. Their service is manual. This one is a driver using a machine. Good job, class. Next, let's have talk about how things are different now.
Teacher,
Please read aloud, Princess. Imagine
imagine live
life.
one life 100 years ago. What was different?
Okay, what was the different?
What was the different?
What was the different, class? This is the picture 100 years ago.
Yes, this 100 years ago was
Before, in the
different.
past, people using horse for their transportation. Anything else? Anything else? Yes, okay.
Can I go to the bathroom?
Okay.
Teacher.
Yes, okay.
Can I say it in the Philippines? There is 9:54. Yes, teacher. This
Yes. Yes, it's correct. Why you know? Why you know, okay? Why do you know?
Because
Do you?
I'm called to Mr. Mary, but Mr. Mary is in Philippines.
Oh yes, your past teacher is Miss Mary. She is also a
She's
Filipino.
very funny, and you is very, very funny.
Yes, all the Filipinos are friendly. And also pretty. Okay. Anything else? What was the different 100 years ago? What's the answer? Princess. People in the past.
These people pass Jesus.
Mm-hmm.
These people pass Jesus.
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 What's that? Dishes.
Jesus.
What's that?
Jesus.
What's that, K? What's the meaning of that?
Teacher, it's night time.
Okay, just wait few minutes. Next, did people wear t-shirts?
57.
What's they're wearing?
They're
They're
wearing a coat.
Yes, a heavy and what do you call that? Uncomfortable clothes. Next question.
Like this. Teacher, like this.
Where? Where? Okay, next question, Lucy. Did people have computers?
Em lại đi chị Anh. Yes.
They have computers 100 years ago?
Yes.
No, because now in our time just have a computer. But before, they don't have computer or cell phones. Next, Lisa, think
Like this, teacher.
where?
Like this.
Yes, coat. Very good. Okay, that's coat. This one is coat. This one is coat. For men is coat. For woman is gown. Gown.
Teacher.
Yes, Kay?
It's 9 It's night time. It's night time.
Okay,
Time.
it's 9:58. Please wait. Okay, next. Please read aloud, Lisa. You think
Or in or reading task. they go do a good do?
Okay. Think 3 things. 3 that they could do and couldn't do. They could spend much more time to their family. They eat much more healthy food before. And they,
Vegetable.
yes, they
Me.
write letters. They write letters. Okay, what they couldn't do. They couldn't travel
Travel.
easily or arrive at time easily because before in the past they don't have airplane. Mhm.
Bánh trung thu.
And before in the past, uh, it's different. Yes, Lucy?
It's night time.
Yes. Okay, don't shout, Lisa.
Night
Now,
time. 00.
yes. Okay, now let's have uh,
Yeah. Con bị nước nóng.
let's have a game.
Đập đầu như chỗ nào giờ cô gì? I not play game.
Okay, team 1, I will choose random. Okay.
Nội đừng có thách. Đừng có mà. Nghe phim sạch phim quán.
Okay, wait.
Bình thường hay cái gì đâu.
There. Team 1 is Lisa and Lucy. Team 2, Princess NK.
I don't play game.
Princess NK. Don't shout, Lisa. You're so noisy. Noisy. Okay.
Two, teacher, two.
Okay. Team 1 is Lisa and Lucy. Number? What number, Lucy? 12. Okay. What is it?
Car watch.
What number?
Car watch.
2. Okay, 2.
Car watch.
2.
Teacher, I don't play game. Sunglasses.
Okay, very good. Next, team 2, Kay and Princess. 8. Okay, 8. Oh, 13. What is it?
Burger.
Cheeseburger. Okay, next. 10. Okay, what is it? Okay, this is football. Okay. Now, team 2. 15. Okay, what is it? Loses. Team 1 loses 25 points. Okay, next. What number, Lisa? Lucy?
So cute.
What number, Lisa? Lucy?
So cute. Em câu Huyền thì em câu này. Number 12.
12. Okay, 12.
Car shower.
Oh, no car shower, no. It's a?
Easy, teacher.
Yes, it's easy. What is it, Lisa?
It's him too.
Yes, car wash. Good job. Next. 7. Okay, what is it?
Keyboard.
Keyboard. Yes. Next. 4. Shh, no. Oh my God, swap points. Shh, no, Liam, put it back. Number
Cho em đuổi cao su cho
5?
em.
Number 5?
Oh, 9.
9? 9. Okay.
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Good job. Ice cream. Next.
Ông ui vô. 15. Another one.
1. Okay.
Hot dog.
Hot dog. Yes. Next.
5.
5. Okay. What is it?
Dragonfly.
Dragonfly. Very good. Next.
11.
Number
11.
11. Okay. What is it?
Handbag.
Handbag. Yes. Next.
3.
3. Okay. What is it? K and princess? Oh,
Toothbrush.
toothbrush. Okay. Last 4. What is
16.
number?
16.
16. Okay. What is it?
Honeymoon.
Honeymoon. Very good. Next.
Đưa cái kẹo đấy để chị có
6. 14. Okay. Oh my God. Okay, last 2.
Oh my gosh.
6 or 8?
8. Oh my gosh.
8. Okay, what is it?
Cowboy.
Cowboy. Next.
Armchairs.
Armchair. Okay, who's the winner? Wow, team 2. Good job. Better luck next time. Team 1. Okay. Now we are done with our. Let's have a reward. Let's have a reward.
Goodbye, teacher.
Wait. Wait,
Bye.
class. Let's have a reward.
Goodbye, teacher.
Wait. Now let's have. Let's wait, class. Enjoy the class ends. Okay, now Team Strong. Thank you for being on time. Shh, no, quiet, please, quiet. And helping each other, very good. On task, participating, persistence. Remember last lesson. Teamwork and working hard. Okay. Now let's have top 1. Who is our top 1? Oh, Kay is calling. Why are you calling, Kay? Kay is calling. Hello, Kay. Hello. Why are you calling? Kay is calling. Oh my God, Kay, what happened to you? Okay, our top 1 is, let's give for Kay. Kay, our top 1 for tonight. Okay, Kay, do you like this? Do you like this, Kay? What is this? What is this? What is this, class? Do you know what's this? It's a puzzle. It's a puzzle. Okay, next. I'm in my room. Oh, he's there. He's so noisy. Okay, next, top 2. Our top 2 is, who is top 2 is? Lisa, top 2. Okay, I will give you a cat. A cat, yes. Okay, wait. Next, top 3. Top 3 is princess. Yes, princess. Very good, princess. A teddy bear. Next, our top 4 is Lucy. Lucy cute. Now, I give you a Daisy duck. Okay. Okay, class, that's all for tonight. Good night, class. Good night, Lisa. Good night, Lucy. Good night, Kay. Good night, Lisa and Princess. Bye.